In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 20mm wheel spacers on your new Mercedes. Let's go. Century spacers are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are half-century. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. And the bonus wheel spacer can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owner with more choice. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day!